2019, the Supreme Court of the Philippines faced a case that would spark nationwide conversations about marriage, equality, and the role of the judiciary. The case, Falcis, the Third versus Civil Registrar General, challenged the family code's definition of marriage as strictly between a man and a woman. At its heart, the petition questioned whether the law unjustly excluded same-sex couples from the institution of marriage. However, before the court could even address the substance of this issue, it had to consider whether the case was properly before it. This scene introduces the background and stakes of the case, setting the foundation for understanding why this legal battle became so significant in the ongoing discourse about LGBTQ+ rights and constitutional law in the Philippines. Despite the passionate arguments for equality, the Supreme Court ultimately dismissed the petition on procedural grounds. The justices found that Jesus Falcis III, the petitioner, lacked the necessary legal standing, meaning he could not show direct injury from the law. Furthermore, the court noted there was no actual case or controversy, a requirement for judicial intervention. The petition also violated the hierarchy of courts, as it was brought directly to the Supreme Court instead of being filed in a lower court first. These procedural barriers prevented the court from ruling on the core issue of same-sex marriage, highlighting the limits of judicial power and the importance of following proper legal processes. Though the Supreme Court did not decide on the constitutionality of same-sex marriage, the Falcis III case remains a pivotal moment in Philippine legal history. By leaving the substantive issue unresolved, the court signaled that the debate over marriage equality is far from over. The decision underscored the procedural limits of judicial power, but it also kept the door open for future challenges that might meet the necessary legal requirements. For advocates of LGBTQ+ rights, the case serves as both a setback and a call to action, reminding everyone that the path to equality often involves navigating complex legal and procedural landscapes. The conversation continues, with Falcis III standing as a landmark in the evolving discourse on rights and justice.